Hey guys, and welcome back. If you've been locked out of your Cash App account, got a new phone, or changed your email address, don't panic. You haven't lost your money. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly regain access to your old account even if you can't access your original phone number or email anymore. And firstly, let's try the easiest route. If you still have access to the phone number or email linked to that account, open up Cash App on your device. On the login screen, enter your old phone number or email address. Cash App will automatically send a secure 6-digit sign-in code to that inbox or phone. And then you just type that code in, enter your PIN, and you should instantly be logged back into your original account. And it's that simple. But if you've lost access to that contact info, don't worry, there's a solid workaround to bridge the gap. So if you completely lost your old phone number or email, you will need to create a temporary account to merge with the old one. So go ahead and create a new Cash App account using your current phone number or email. Once you're in, tap your profile icon on the top right, go to Linked Banks, and link the same exact debit card or bank account that was connected to your old locked account. Go back to your profile, tap Support, and select Can't Access Old Account. Tap Contact Support and let the agent know you want to merge your new profile with the old one. And just remember to never share your sign-in codes or PIN codes with anyone, not even Cash App support. Enjoy the guide. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe.